welcome to MauriceReese.com, where freedom is the name of the game. Our focus here is to inspire you to become free. That's debt-free, job-free, be able to travel, do what you want, when you want, on your own terms, instead of being tied down like a slave to a 9 to 5, telling you when you can clock in, telling you when you can take a break, telling you when you can go on vacation. We're going to teach you how to have the freedom to create your own wealth, to be able to go where you want to go. Put in the work now, where you'll be able to have the freedom in the future and live life on your terms. Here at MauriceReese.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Look forward to talking with you. Peace.